Hey guys, let's see how to use a laptop with the closed lid. As you can see here, I have the laptop connected with two external monitors via HDMI and DisplayPort. And when I close the lid, you see that it changes. And then I have the main display just right here, and display here is also working. So it's working pretty fine, right? When I open again, you see that everything comes back, just readjust, and I see the main display here again, right? So super simple. You see when I click here, identify, I have 1, 2, and 3 working super good, right? To make this possible, what I have to do is just go to the control panel or look for this change what closing the lid does, right? Basically here, if you come in and tap here control panel, you're gonna find your control panel here. I'm using Windows 11, okay? I'll just bring it here. There we go. And you need to look for the power settings here, right? I'm just type here power options. You see it. Then I come here, and then you see the information here about what happens when you choose to close the lid, right? Just click here. And there are options here. See when on battery or plugged in. In my case here, when I close the lid, you see here, do nothing. At first, it comes like this with sleep. You just need to change to do nothing here. All right? And then save changes, and you're good to go. And here you see that I have this display here as I can make it the main display when I click here. And now this is the main display, but when I close the lid, it's going to change to another display to be the main one, right? So to come here, you just need to right click and select display settings. That's the way you go there. I'm just close it again, and you see that everything changes, and it goes there as the main display, the second one, right? You see that changes now here as 1 and 2 only. When I identify here, now I have 1 and 2. When I open the lid again, then it comes back here as 1, 2, and 3, right? So super good and very easy. So that's the way you can use your laptop with the lid closed. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.